Hello everyone, welcome back to Everything Bookish. As you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to do the cerebral palsy tag. When I was trying to brainstorm ideas for the next video that I would upload today, I came across a video that was uploaded by Carissa yesterday, which was obviously the cerebral palsy tag, and I immediately knew that I had to do it on my channel. Just like books are a very integral part of my life, cerebral palsy has been a very integral part of my life. I have been living with it for the past 23 years and I just could not talk about it on the channel. Here it is. I'll be answering a bunch of questions regarding the cerebral palsy tag. So let's get started with it. The first question that we have over here is, what kind of cerebral palsy do you have? Well, I am a case of cerebral palsy with spastic diplegia. It means that my limbs are weak, and both my upper and my lower limbs are weak, especially more impact on my lower limbs. Question number 2 is, how did you get CP? Well, cerebral palsy is a topic that we do not actually talk about in my family, so I am not really very sure about it. But I do remember that I was a very plumpy child while growing up, and I wouldn't walk when it was the correct time to walk for a child. So my parents were worried, and they took me to a doctor, and I guess that's when my cerebral palsy was detected, or probably when I was born. I am not very sure. 3 is, how did you feel about CP while growing up? Honestly, while growing up, I was blessed to have the opportunity to be studying in such schools that were very compassionate and very patient with people who had any sort of disability. It was not a very huge problem for me. As much as I can remember, I always tried to do stuff that a normal child would. Yes, obviously, I did not dance, I do not play any sport, but then anything obviously I always tried my level best. Question number 4 is, how has CP impacted your life in a good or a bad way? Well, CP has made me realize that any disability a person may have, it is all in the mind, and you just have to figure out a way to do different things. And it has also made me realize that people will say anything that will come in their mouth. It is your ability to filter out stuff that will help you in the long people, especially more than the society. A lot of my family members keep on telling me that you should exercise, you should do this, you should do that, blah 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 blah. They just don't realize that there are a certain limitations to the kind of work that I can do, and even if they do not see it, I try my level best to do whatever I can. This cerebral palsy impacting my life in a bad way will be that since I can easily pass on as a normal person, people always think they always think of me as a normal person and try to give me responsibilities as a normal person, which 85% of the time I try to do but miserably fail, and 15%, the rest remaining percent, I try to just ignore and tell them that I'm sorry, I cannot do it. But since I have this thing that, oh my god, I really want to try it, and why cannot I do it? I will do it. So I do try stuff, but I fail. That's the moral of. Since I can actually pass on as a normal person, people actually tend to give me responsibilities that a normal person would genuinely give 100% to it, but I cannot, and that makes me feel bad, because there are a lot of things that I genuinely want to do and try, and just learn new stuff, but I cannot because of my limitations, and sometimes people just don't understand that. Also, when people keep on reminding me that I have a certain disability and I shouldn't be doing this, or when people tell me that you shouldn't be talking as if you are disabled. Well, I am disabled, and I should be talking about it because I am not ashamed of it. There are a lot of my friends who would come up to me and tell me that Jasmine, you shouldn't think of yourself as a disabled person. You shouldn't say that. While I do understand their concern, because it's all in our mind, if it is all in our mind, then why is it that there is stuff that you can do, and that very same stuff I cannot, even if I try? That's something which really annoyed me while I was in my school. Five is, have you ever thought of your life without cerebral palsy? I definitely have. At times when I am frustrated, and at times when I realize that there is a heck lot of stuff that I cannot do, even if I give my 2000%, that's the time when I think when I envision a different Jasmine, when I try to think of a Jasmine who's never had cerebral palsy. But other than that, I think I am I am just satisfied with the way I am right now. Schooling with cerebral palsy was a smooth ride. It definitely was a hindrance at certain points, but if we look at a larger picture, I am sure that I have been blessed with amazing schools, amazing teachers, amazing classmates, and amazing support staff over there, because everyone, even my principals, they all were very helpful. They would help me with climbing stairs, coming down from the stairs, and if I fell, which I did a lot of times, they would come up to me and help me. They would brush off the dust from my skirt, help me get back to the class, and nurse me if I have had any bruise or anything of that sort. So in that regard, schooling was much better. Question 7 is, how has disability changed throughout your life? Well, I am 23, so till now what I have actually experienced is that more than the society, it is your own family that is that puts a lot of pressure on you. That is solely my experience, but I'm not speaking it out for others. That's what I have experienced. People, my family in specific, my family especially comes up to me and says that Jasmine, you are getting obese, you should take care of it, you should exercise, you should do this, you should do that, yada yada yada. And I don't think they realize that it is my body, and the way I have kept it is going to affect me, and so it shouldn't be anyone else's business. The time that I decide that okay, now I don't want to gain any more weight, I want to get fit, has to be it has to be my own decision. No one else can make that decision for me. And it's just that it's just a matter of having a perspective. If you think that you are capable of doing a certain job, and no matter how disabled you are, no matter how much of how much of difficulty you have to face, and you just go on it and you do it, no one will ever say anything. Question 8 is, how will things change for for people with disability? You know, I personally feel that as long as people around a disabled person do not understand that the person concerned over there has a certain limitation, and until and unless they do not understand that I am only going to talk about the question in hand as related to me. So just like I can pass on as a normal person and also have my own shortcomings, until and unless people don't understand that she has some sort of problem and she might need some sort of help, and she shouldn't be pushed beyond her limits, and she should just be given the moral and the emotional support, I don't think people can change. I don't think anything can change for people with disabilities until and unless it comes from within that disabled people are as much as a part of this society as much as other people are. Even if they have a lot of shortcomings, I don't think anything can change as regards to the life of a disabled person. Question 9 is, do you believe in God, and does it help you in regards to your CP? I don't believe in God, and I don't think it can ever help me or break me in any sense. Last question is, if there was a pill or cure for cerebral palsy, would you take it? Well, I've had Botox injections twice to what was it used for? To strengthen my muscles, I believe, or probably to ease out my muscles. I am not very sure. So I think yes, I have taken medicines for cerebral palsy. That's all that was in the cerebral palsy tag. I hope you got to know me you got to know me a little more better, and I'll see you day after tomorrow with a book related video, and till then,